Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Clicks VR, and I just logged in, and then I looked out this place, and I saw some rain, and I just started to I haven't been on at all today, so I'm gonna be absolutely garbage. But bro, there's lamps? What? Oh, they're climbable. They are climbable. Bro, imagine you're just juking someone up, and you just go, eom, eom. Bro, they got lamps everywhere now? Hey, yo, I see one up there. What? They're everywhere. Bro, there's one right here. Understandable. You could stand on these ones. As well. Bro, look how rainy it is. Look how rainy this place is. Bro, this is awesome. This is amazing. It looks so sick. Shop. Maybe there's something new in shop. Isn't it like always raining in shop though? I guess I just start. What are these? Bro, gotta try these out. Wait, hold up. Is that a button? No way. No. Gorilla Tag wouldn't. Gorilla Tag wouldn't. There's no way. There's no way. Nah, Gorilla Tag. Nah. Okay. Oh, it does! It does! Look at that! So you're just hopping around like juking up. Right? Ooh. Umbrella. Blinded. Bro, if you get umbrellas, you can literally do like the open umbrella challenge, where like the umbrellas are open, so it's so much harder. Bro, this is worse than the eye patch. What does the golden one look like? Yo, this is awesome. What's the black one? I'm in my own little sanctuary. Nothing can hurt me. Bro, these are awesome. They're kind of big though. They're like in the way. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm just saying like they're kind of in the way. But honestly, these are awesome, bro. Having one of these, I'd probably rock the golden one, or the normal one is actually my favorite. The gold one is good. I didn't even check out how expensive these are. Please tell me these aren't expensive. Please tell me these aren't expensive. What the? Okay, this is the gold one. 6,000. That's normal. These are 5,000 each. Okay, let's just say I have 1,000. Let's just say I have 1,000 shiny rocks. I go here, go to purchase. I would just need $20 alone. $20 alone to get this. Like $20 alone to just get one little thing. That's just nah, fam. I don't got that kind of cash, bro. 24/7, I'm a baller. What the frick? Bro, I'm just saying, this update... Yo, is there any... Hold up. Winter map. Or... Snow map. Whatever. Mountains. No! Look how pretty it is! Yo! This is epic! Look how nice... And they got lamps, too? Bro, I can only imagine what canyons is like. Like, it might be, like, the same as the rain. Or something else. Oh my god, bro. The snow is absolutely dazzling, bro. No, I can't do that. I'm sorry for the skill issue. I didn't play at all today. And it's like, what time is it for me? It's 9 p.m. and I haven't played all day. So, please do not judge the skill. There's even one up there. I bet I can make it up there. First try. Ease. Oh, look at the lantern. Bro. Oh my, look at the sky. It's so beautiful, bro. And the snow is just, first of all, that's amazing. Snowing and everything. Okay, so forest is raining. Mountains is snowing. I don't even know why I skipped right past canyon. I thought they might have added something in the shop. They did, but it's so expensive. So I'm just probably gonna dodge on that, unfortunately. Because I don't think these cosmetics are gonna be out for freaking 10 days to get 1,000. I'm about to have 1,000. Okay, canyons. Oh, I think canyons also has rain. What would canyons be like with rain? Let's see. Wait, what? Oh, was it raining over there? Must be just a bug or something. What? What are those? Aw, man, they didn't really do anything for canyons. I'm kind of mad because this is where I learned how to wall climb and wall run. What are those? Might as well practice something in here. Let me go back over there, check those out, see what they are. These are like a crystal or something. This is cool. This is really cool. Is it just crystal? Oh, bro, that's so disappointing. Like, they are cool and all, but they didn't even scatter them around the map. It's just in these boxes. Put some, maybe beside the cactuses or something. Bro, I'm disappointed for canyons, bro. I'm disappointed. Do something with canyons. Make like a sandstorm. That's a good idea. Sandstorm. Right there. Got an idea. Maybe something happened to caves. I don't think. Yeah, caves has no outdoor. No nothing. So, I don't think. Okay. So, let's go back to the rain. Bro, this is sweet. Home, Alabama. Da-na-na-na-na. Oh. Bro, it's so rainy. Also, I have a sun hat on. What is this gonna? I mean, it could probably protect me from the rain for a little bit, but I'm gonna have to get something soon. I might spend some money on this game. Maybe not $20, but some. Oh no. Oh my god. Bro, am I really gonna mess this up? I did not play today, but hey. Don't even be saying skill issue. It's not a skill issue, okay? Haven't played in a while, alright? Arms aren't ready for this. I was playing outside because it was a nice day on where I live. Anyway, yeah, pretty nice. Oh, bro, I hate this so much. Okay, one wall to one. Oh my. Wall. Could. Thinking about life decisions. I'll say that. Thinking about life decisions. Bro, just let me somewhat stick to the wall. no! I'm not doing that. I have to do this. I can't even. I haven't. My arms are not even. I was playing baseball, bro. I'm used to overhand throwing. I'm so sorry for the skill issue. Bro! This is so dumb! Like, my hands don't even stick to the walls anymore. Look at this. No stick! No stick! There's not even a stick anymore. Bro, I might as well throw this game in the trash. I'm not saying other people. I'm saying me. Because honestly, it's gotta be something with my Oculus. But I'm about to actually lose it. I'm not kidding. Bro. Oh my god. I'm about to... What's the point of even trying? Bro, left, right, left, right. Bro! This is so dumb! Just up, down, bro. There. That's with zero practice. Bro, when you're playing different, like I was playing 2 sports today, and I was like outside climbing and stuff. So when you do so many different things a day, right as you hop on something that you haven't done that entire day, you're straight up hot garbage. Like I was just pitching my friends a few baseballs, and it wasn't as good at first. Then it got better. But like I'm just saying, this is garbage, bro. I'm really sorry I had to do this unprepared for this video. But this is the new update. It's kind of cool. I like it. The rain, everything is awesome. The sound might get a little annoying, but other than that, I don't really know what to say about this. Oh. Oh. Anyway, yeah. Definitely recommend go playing Gorilla Tag now. Make sure you practice. Like I should have. It was just too late and I just had to get this in. While the update was... I don't know, maybe the rain stops. I can't tell because I wasn't here. But in my opinion, I think the rain's gonna like not... Like it's gonna stop. And then it's gonna come back on. So I just had to do this while it might be on. I don't know. I don't know the rules of this. But anyway, hit the like, hit the subscribe. It's a really big help for a small channel like me. And yeah. All right, see ya.